What is up, everybody? Hope y'all can hear me. It is cold out here. It's like -6, 7, something like that. All I know is cold. We're not used to that stuff here in Arkansas. See old tick turd back here in the background. Nothing but snow. I just measured. We got 6 inches here so far. We got put a heater core in old tick turd. Had to take the dash out. Made a video on that. Just ain't posted it yet. Won't show y'all this, but then tick turd went to running kind of funny. Distributor went bad. Changed distributor out, did a burnout out of the shop, and blew the transmission. Go figure. Because I went ahead and tuned, put all the power in it, and yep. Transmission said, not today. But let me show y'all the new daily driver. Y'all look at this. Nothing but snow, guys. This is the new daily driver right here. Z71 Tahoe. Got a little snow in the floorboards. I done been in it a couple times today. She's pretty nice. Pretty nice. It is cold. Just want to tell everybody, you ain't got to be on the roads, don't be on the roads. It ain't worth it, guys. God, it's cold out here. And you people up north, I don't see how y'all do it. Why you even want to live there? Look at this mess. It's terrible. That's new daily driver right there. So now we got to get a tranny for tick turd. Get that one built anyway. I'm having trouble walking through the snow. I probably need to start her up. She ain't been started in a couple days and it's colder than hell. So let's see if we can do that. She fired up. Cold it is. See how deep the snow is right there, guys. Ooh, it's cold out here. Another thing, y'all got animals outside? Bring them in. Too cold for that crap. Cold. Get her to warm up here. Keep it idle. Probably not. She might. See how deep the snow is? Cut of grooves out through there. Yeah, we gotta get a transmission. The only thing we got is low gear. That's why I had to go buy that old thing. Nice, ready to go. 4-drive Tahoe. We're gonna let her run. Gotta eat that snow edge, y'all. This is the big Arkansas snowstorm of 2021. And we got more coming in today, or tonight, and I think tomorrow. Got a few things we gotta fix on old Tahoe. The heater. Gotta do a little work on it. So far, I'm liking it. Y'all leave a comment, let me know what y'all think about it. Just a cheap daily driver. Old Tick Turd sitting there clicking them off. Cold as hell. But there's the update. I'm gonna try to get the other videos out of the putting the heater core in. We had to pull the dash out, all that good stuff. It's a lot of work. Go ahead and kill her. After I fix the heater, tranny goes out. About right. Oh well, we'll put a trans in it and get it going again. It'll be alright. Oh, it's cold. Y'all can hear it there. Actually, it's working. Hell. Nope, there it goes. So it's going to be a few days before we get doing anything in the shop. But the next thing we're going to be doing is working on old Tahoe. Getting the heater fixed in it. It's blowing cold right now. The heat door, the changer, whatever, ain't working. Probably need the... Too cold to think right now, y'all. The, thing that switches it over. Yeah, that thing, yeah. But that's it for this video. Let's give y'all an update on Tick Turd and the new daily. And all the snow we got. Y'all can have all this crap you want. We don't like it. Too cold.